Welcome to session 24. The final session combines representation, operation fluency, estimation, and careful question reading into one repeatable routine. Today you will identify the reference, translate signs, name the requested quantity, predict sign and size, calculate in order, and verify meaning. Use a 6-part routine. Identify the reference point. Translate every quantity with a sign. Name exactly what the question requests. Predict the answer's sign and approximate size. Calculate in operation order. Finally, verify the sign, scale, units, and context. If answer choices are opposites, recheck the sign. If they differ by a decimal place, estimate scale. If asked for distance, use absolute value. For change, use final minus initial. Evaluate a hiker starts at 120 feet, descends 180, then climbs 45. Step 1. Translate the movements as 120 plus negative 180 plus positive 45. Step 2. Combine positive terms to get 165. Step 3. Combine 165 with negative 180. Therefore, the hiker finishes at negative 15 feet, below sea level. Check. The descent slightly exceeds the combined starting height and climb. Evaluate negative 3/4 plus 1.2 minus negative 0.5. Step 1. Convert negative 3/4 to negative 0.75. Step 2. Rewrite subtraction of negative 0.5 as addition of positive 0.5. Step 3. Add negative 0.75 plus 1.2 plus 0.5. Therefore, the final value is positive 0.95. Check. The two positive amounts total 1.7, exceeding 0.75 by 0.95. A common error is rushing into arithmetic before naming the requested quantity. A correct calculation can still answer distance instead of change, or change instead of final position. Use the correct method. Spend 5 seconds predicting sign, scale, units, and meaning. Therefore, a complete check confirms both the mathematics and the question. An account starts at negative $25, receives $40, then pays $12.5. Step 1. Write negative 25 plus positive 40 plus negative 12.5. Step 2. Combine the negative amounts to get negative 37.5. Step 3. Combine positive 40 with negative 37.5. Therefore, the final balance is positive $2.50. Let us recap. Identify, sign, request, predict, calculate, and verify. For a quick check, consider what must be checked before accepting a signed number result. Confirm its sign, approximate size, units, and meaning in context. Keep learning and practicing at bridge2exam.com. Visit www.bridgedoexam.com for the full lesson, practice questions, and instant feedback.